Welcome to South Educare. Estimate the sum or difference by rounding each number to the nearest 10 and also solve the actual problem as well. This video I am starting from number 8. Last video we have solved 1 to 7. Let's start. Here is 29, which nearest 10 is 30. 21 nearest 10, 20. So estimate sum 50. So what is the actual problem? 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 2 to 1 is a 5. Number 9, 71, round each number to nearest 10. It means 71 nearest 10 is 70. 67 nearest 10 also 70. The summation is 140. And actual problem, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 6 13. It's a 138. 64 nearest 10 60. Then 62 nearest 10, this one also 60. The difference is 0. Actual problem, 4 minus 2 2. Number 11, 46 nearest 10 50. 56 nearest 10 60. Summation 110. And actual problem, 6 plus 6 is 12, 2, carry 1, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10. Number 12, 86 nearest 10 90. 54 nearest 10 50. So difference 40. Actual problem, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 5 3. Number 13, 42 nearest 10 40. 25 nearest 10 30. The summation is 70. What about actual problem? 5 plus 2 is a 7, 6 plus 2 6. And final one, 68 nearest 10 70, 26 nearest 10 30. The summation is 100. Actual problem, 6 plus 8 14, 4, carry 1, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. So this is part 2 of estimate the sum and difference by rounding each number to nearest 10. This is very important for primary level. I hope you will keep practice at home, and if you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.